For years, professional wildlife and sports photographers have been holding onto their legendary Nikon D500 DSLRs, begging for a true mirrorless successor. The wait is finally over, and the camera industry was not ready for what is coming next. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate source for the latest tech breakthroughs, major hardware leaks, and deep dives into the future of consumer electronics. Today, we are breaking down the definitive, verified leaks surrounding the most anticipated APS-C camera on the planet, the upcoming Nikon Z90. This isn't just a minor refresh or another mid-range mirrorless body. The Nikon Z90 is being internally hailed as the Mini Z9, a total market disruptor packed with flagship technology that completely rewrites the rules of crop sensor performance. If you are planning to spend $4,000 or more on a heavy full-frame setup, or if you are considering switching to Sony or Canon, you need to pause and watch this breakdown first. We are uncovering the explosive structural specifications, the game-changing video architecture, and the exact pricing and launch roadmap targeting the United States and premium international markets. Let's dive straight into the hardware that is turning heads across the industry. The absolute heart of this powerhouse is its newly developed 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. For a long time, creators had to choose between high resolution and high speed, but this Goldilocks sensor hits the absolute sweet spot. By utilizing a stacked architecture, Nikon has achieved ultra-fast readout speeds that completely eliminate rolling shutter distortion. This means fast-moving subjects like a bird in mid-flight, a speeding race car, or an athlete sprinting across the finish line will remain perfectly straight without any artificial warping. Furthermore, this stacked sensor design enables a completely blackout-free electronic viewfinder experience. When you press the shutter, your view remains entirely uninterrupted, allowing you to track erratic action with absolute precision. To handle the massive data stream from this 33-megapixel sensor, Nikon has integrated the high-end X7 processing engine, positioning the performance of the Z90 safely between the Z6 Mark III and the flagship Z8. The burst shooting capabilities enabled by this combination are nothing short of blistering. The Z90 is capable of capturing a staggering 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, but when you switch to the electronic shutter, it unlocks an insane 120 frames per second in cropped formats. For wildlife enthusiasts who rely on crop sensor reach to get closer to distant subjects, this camera essentially acts as a built-in teleconverter without losing a single ounce of light or sharpness. But speed means nothing without an autofocus system that can keep up, and this is where the deep learning artificial intelligence tracking comes into play. The Z90 inherits the flagship-level AI autofocus system directly from the Z9 and Z8. It features dedicated real-time tracking algorithms trained to instantly recognize and lock onto birds, planes, vehicles, trains, and a wide variety of animals. Even if a subject momentarily moves behind a tree branch or turns its head away from the lens, the AI stays completely glued to the target. The focus acquisition happens in milliseconds, ensuring that your once-in-a-lifetime shot is perfectly sharp from edge to edge. While the stills performance is a dream come true for sports and nature photographers, the video specifications are where Nikon is dropping a nuclear option on the entire industry. Following the official acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, Nikon is utilizing this massive synergy to bring Hollywood-grade video architecture into a compact, professional APS-C body for the very first time. The leaks reveal that the Z90 will support internal 12-bit Redcode RAW video capture at up to 6K resolution. This means filmmakers and hybrid content creators can capture immense dynamic range and pristine color science directly to the memory card without the need for bulky external monitors or recorders. It also supports oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, delivering ultra-crisp footage with zero pixel binning. This integration represents a massive leap forward, giving independent filmmakers access to professional production capabilities that used to cost tens of thousands of dollars. Another massive area of improvement that leaks highlight is the 5-axis in-body image stabilization system. Nikon has re-engineered this system specifically for the smaller DX format sensor size, enabling up to 8 stops of vibration reduction compensation. When combined with lenses that feature optical VR, the synchronization between the lens and the sensor creates an incredibly stable shooting experience. For wildlife photographers using massive 400mm or 600mm telephoto lenses handheld in low light, this means you can significantly drop your shutter speed without introducing blur. For video creators, it enables smooth, walking cinematic panning shots that look almost as if the camera were balanced on a mechanical gimbal, eliminating micro jitters completely. This stabilization system also opens up advanced sensor shift high-resolution modes. According to Insider Intelligence, the Z90 will feature a multi-shot pixel shift mode capable of generating massive 100-megapixel composite files for landscapes, architectural work, and fine art replication. When the camera is mounted on a sturdy tripod, it shifts the sensor by half a pixel between sequential frames, capturing full color data at every single pixel location. This entirely eliminates more patterns and dramatically reduces digital noise, transforming this high-speed action camera into a high-resolution studio workhorse at the flick of a switch. The power management system has also been updated to utilize the advanced high-capacity ENEL15C batteries. This integration gives the compact body incredible battery life that rivals full-frame professional bodies, delivering over 700 shots per charge or close to 2 hours of continuous video recording. It also supports full USB power delivery, meaning you can power the camera directly via a high-output power bank while shooting time-lapse sequences overnight or recording long studio presentations without ever worrying about draining the internal cell. Now, let's talk about the exact release timeline and what this means for your wallet. The most reliable industry reports and production schedules point toward an official global announcement hitting the United States and premium international markets in the second quarter of 2026. Production is already ramping up at specialized facilities to meet the massive global demand. In terms of pricing, Nikon is aiming to place this camera in an extremely competitive bracket, targeting a retail price of around $2,000 to $2,200 for the body only. This positions it as a direct and fierce competitor to the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Sony A6700, offering flagship stack sensor performance and internal red video capabilities at a fraction of the cost of a full-frame flagship. When you look at the total package, the Z90 is shaping up to be the ultimate hybrid tool for creators who refuse to compromise on build quality, speed, or cinematic potential. It bridges the gap perfectly between advanced enthusiasts and working pros, making it one of the most significant releases of the year. If you want to make sure you stay completely ahead of the curve on the latest camera breakthroughs, authentic hardware leaks, and definitive tech gear updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the Tech Vibe community. Don't forget to drop a like on this video if you are excited to see this APS-C beast shake up the industry, and let us know down in the comments section below if you are planning to upgrade from your older DSLR or make the switch entirely to the Z system. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Stay tuned for the next major update, and we will see you right here in the next video.